The universe is getting bigger. Almost every galaxy in the sky is running away from us. And the farther away it is, the faster it goes. This is not because we did something wrong. It is because the entire universe is getting bigger. Right now, as you watch this. How could anyone possibly know that? The answer is hidden in starlight. About 100 years ago, an astronomer named Edwin Hubble was studying the light from faraway galaxies. Light carries a kind of fingerprint, patterns that tell us what a star is made of. And Hubble noticed something strange. In galaxy after galaxy, that whole fingerprint had slid toward the red end of the rainbow. Here is what that means. When something giving off light moves away from you, its light gets stretched into longer waves. And longer waves look redder, toward that red end of the rainbow. So a redshift is a clue that a galaxy is moving away, and nearly every galaxy Hubble looked at was redshifted. Even stranger, the more distant galaxies were shifted the most. The farther away, the faster they were racing off. That was the discovery. The whole universe is expanding. But here is the part people get wrong. The galaxies are not flying out through space, like debris from a bomb. Space itself is stretching and carrying the galaxies along with it. Picture dots drawn on a balloon. As you blow it up, every dot moves away from every other dot. No dot is the center. The balloon is simply getting bigger, and so is our universe. And this gives us a clue about the past. If everything is spreading apart now, then long ago it must have been packed together, hot and tight. Wind the clock back far enough and you reach the beginning, what we call the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. We can even still see its leftover glow, a faint hum of light filling the whole sky. The universe handed us its own baby picture. We just had to learn how to read it.